Imagine, it's 20 degrees safer. Outside, the snow's piling up, and your car's battery just died. You're stranded in the middle of nowhere, alone. It's not just frustrating, it's dangerous. Do you have a plan B? Or will you be stuck waiting for hours in freezing temperatures? What if I told you there's a way to never be stranded again in the dead of winter without relying on anyone else? A portable device that could save your life? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 car jump starters for winter emergencies. And trust me, having one of these in your trunk could be the difference between a frozen nightmare and a fast getaway. So, are you ready to avoid being caught out in the cold? Let's get into it. We've all been there, right? You're getting ready to leave, the roads are icy, the snow is falling, and your car simply won't start. It's not just the frustration of being stuck, it's the real danger of being unprepared. Cold temperatures can drain your car's battery quickly. In winter, batteries lose power faster than you might think, especially in extreme cold. But here's the real kicker. It's not just an inconvenience, it could be life-threatening. Imagine being stranded with no one around for miles, freezing temperatures setting in, and your phone is dead. That's not just bad luck, it's a lack of preparation. But here's the thing. Being prepared doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine having one small device in your car, always ready to bring you back to life. A portable jump starter that you can use to start your car in minutes, no matter how cold it gets outside. It's that simple. No waiting for a tow truck, no relying on someone else's help. Just you, your car, and your jump starter. The real question is, what's the best jump starter for winter emergencies? Let's break it down. I've researched and tested the top 5 jump starters that will keep you safe and get you back on the road when the temperatures drop. Each one is built to withstand freezing conditions, and I'm going to tell you why these are the best options for winter. Product 1, NOCO Boost X GBX155, the heavyweight champion. First up, we've got the NOCO Boost X GBX155. This is one of the most powerful jump starters on the market, with an impressive 3000 peak amps. This beast can start engines up to 10 LL gas and 8L diesel. And let's talk winter. This thing is specifically designed to work even in 20 degrees. That's right, 20 degrees. What I love about the NOCO is its compact design and safe technology. Reverse polarity protection, spark-proof, and overcharge protection. Plus, the battery is tough enough to withstand extreme cold without any risk of freezing. And the best part? It's small enough to fit in your glove compartment, but powerful enough to jump any car, truck, or SUV. No more worrying about getting stuck when the cold hits. Product 2, Gulu GP4000. Versatile and powerful. Next, let's talk about the Gulu GP4000. With 4000 peak amps, this one is built for versatility. It's perfect for medium to large cars and even trucks. But it's not just about power. This jump starter is a multifunctional tool. Not only can you jumpstart your car, but it also has USB ports to charge your devices. Perfect if you're stranded with a dead phone. Plus, the built-in flashlight and emergency strobe light will help you in those dark snow-covered nights. It's compact, powerful, and versatile. Everything you need for a winter emergency. Product 3, Clore Jump and Carry JNC60. Durable and reliable. Now, for those of you who want something simple, rugged, and reliable, meet the Clore Jump and Carry JNC660. This device has been a go-to for years and is known for its durability and dependability. With 1700 peak amps, it's perfect for smaller to mid-sized vehicles. It's built tough with heavy-duty cables and a digital voltmeter that gives you real-time battery status. Plus, it's designed to handle extreme conditions. You won't find any bells and whistles here, but it gets the job done every time. This one's perfect if you just need a straightforward, no-nonsense jump starter that will last you for years. Product 4, Trecure 10-in-1 Jump Starter, the ultimate emergency kit. If you're looking for something that does it all, check out the Trecure 10-in-1 Jump Starter. This isn't just a jump starter, it's an entire emergency toolkit. It comes with an air compressor, LED lights, and even gloves to keep you warm while you work. This thing is a lifesaver if you're stuck not only with a dead battery, but also with a flat tire or no way to light your surroundings. If you're really stuck, you'll appreciate the convenience of having everything you need in one package. No matter what goes wrong, this tool has you covered from every angle. Product 5, Astro AI S8, compact and budget-friendly. Finally, if you're on a budget but still need a reliable jump starter, meet the Astro AI S8. This is one of the most compact jump starters out there and is perfect for smaller cars. While it's not the most powerful on the list with 1000 peak amps, it still gets the job done for most sedans and small SUVs. It's super easy to store in your glove compartment, and the USB ports make it perfect for charging your devices while you're waiting for help, or just in case your phone dies. Compact, effective, and easy on the wallet. This is the perfect choice for everyday drivers who just need peace of mind. So, which jump starter would you trust in an emergency? Drop a comment below and let me know which one caught your eye, and if you've ever been stranded in the cold before. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more automotive tips and gear reviews. You won't want to miss the next one. But before you go, I've got one more question for you. What's the craziest winter emergency you faced with your car? Let's hear those stories in the comments. I'll be reading every one of them.